suck it! Hot girl, go away from me and my waterbed! You get out of my house, nerd! Everyone listen up! This Saturday, we are going to win! Mark my words! From this moment on, we do not lose! Yeah!
Do they be having nice stuff in here?
Oh yeah, they got some decent stuff in here.
What the fuck?
It's like I'm solid.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
They really are.
Might be today, $250 today.
Right.
Start off Salvation, got a nice little two-piece. Got that majestic cool base, Washington Nationals windbreaker with that sleeve hit, little side hit, little back hit, and got the Colts football on a Reebok. Nice little essential football piece.
Start off for me. We got that Champion Eco, Coastal Carolina. You already know we love them college pieces. Consistent sellers, quick sellers. Some Tommy for your mommy. Nice little rugby polo.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fire. Into some tees. Another dollar tee for me finally. That no date, but red stripe tag. Red stripe graphic. Fire. Then we got Stanley Cup Champs 2017. Screen print Fanatics with a nice back hit.
Nice, nice.
And final piece for me on the quick little light trip. Got that. Ooh, Pro Gear. Brooklyn Nets. Nice little leg spell out. Logo down there. Heaters.
Bang, bang.
Thank you. And say there's a Nike jersey over there that's a decent. Yeah, I think it's a kid's XL though. It's green. Just grab these two right quick. Quick little two-piece at Halo. We got that Hanes Beefy 2001 Hog. Pretty nice back hit on that hoe. Yes, sir. Down into the second piece. A little newer, Gildan. Chevy. But some good Chevy. Corvettes. Yes, sir. Fire.
Wrap it up, we got a nice little three pieces at Goodwill. Got that Dream Team. Yes, sir. Nice little caricatures on the New Age Gildan. Can't pass up the Dream Team. And we got the Killers Battleborn World Tour on the Delta, size small, with the back hit. And then got that nice Perry Ellis America on the tag. Nice little color block with PE back hit.
3 pieces for me also. Got that chowder heads. Billy.
Yes, sir.
Patriots rule. Anvil red bar. That IU lacrosse. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hoosiers. And final piece from me. Some heaters right here. Got that Polo Ralph Lauren. Corduroy embroidered
Nice little
birds.
ducks.
Yes, sir. Going all the way around.
Banger.
Heater. Yes, sir, that wraps up another rainy, windy one for us. Spring has not been kind to us with the weather for the flea market and thrifting, but it is all good. We keep it pushing. Before I get into my fit of the week, I want to thank everyone who keeps coming back every week, and any new viewers. If you haven't already, hit that sub button below. We hit that 750, that 3/4 demonetization mark. Yes, sir. On to my fit of the week, we got that Sex Inferno Isolation USA hat with the liquid blue from the fucking flea market, lobbed from the boy Seth. If y'all haven't seen this video, I'm gonna link it right there. And then with that, we got Tommy jeans with the Bodega Dunks.
Bang,
yes,
bang.
sir.
Yes, sir, that wraps up the quicker, lighter week. Still found our profit. Before I get into my fit, we got the viewer find of the week. Shout out that boy Icarus. Got the Patagonia Apple shorts and the Supreme Champion hoodie. I didn't even know Champion had a Supreme collab. Fit of the week, we got that SAJ Patriots hat, that brand new backstock alien with the back hit, banger. If only I had my blade to go with it. And then we got the Levi's with the old schools.